Congratulations, you're just moments away from accessing this groundbreaking app and exploding your results like you always wanted. But first, I would like to ask you an important question. How would you like to take your video hosting and marketing to the next level and get 10 times more profits and more sales? With Enterprise Edition, you'll have the untapped power to boost your profits using the same video marketing campaigns you're already running. Get ready to reach a whole new level with just the touch of a button. Introducing Enterprise Upgrade. Beautiful, done-for-you player themes, deep analytics, advanced advertisement technology, access to a complete project management system, the ability to capture your audience's attention when they are most engaged. Yeah, the Enterprise Upgrade has it all. That's right. By joining our exclusive Enterprise Club, you can do it like a boss. Enterprise Edition ensures you can scale quickly without worrying about restrictions. Get no limits as you upload unlimited sales, trainings, client prospecting, or informative videos. Capture unlimited leads and unlimited audiences, and never have to pay for hosting ever again. Here's what you're getting with this special upgrade today. Publish your videos anywhere. Use just one line of embedded code to publish on websites, landing pages, online shops, membership sites, or anywhere else. Customize an attractive video player to your exact specifications. The HLS player is perfectly optimized to work on all devices, and it is 100% responsive for mobile devices. You'll get the power to give a unique look to your videos with 5 stunning and ready-to-use fully customizable video players. Prove yourself as a pro entrepreneur. Customize the color and theme of your player to give it a more attractive and branded feel. Customize your player further with 8 attractive and eye-catching frames to get all your visitors hooked. Publish videos on your branded channels. Provide more content to your audience and build deeper connections with them. Present yourself as an authority by showing your brand name or logo on your player. This feature alone is a huge value to your business. Provide catered experiences for viewers from various countries and demographic groups by adding subtitles to your existing videos. But wait, there's more in store for you. Show image or text ads or an HTML page right inside of your videos. Our advanced advertising technology allows you to show video ads to visitors when they are most engaged, so you get maximum results. Collect contact details from nearly every visitor. You'll boost profits by selling more services, affiliate, and e-commerce products right inside of your video. Get more than 50 proven converting and ready-to-use lead, promo, and social ad templates. Use the drag and drop editor to make unique video ad templates. Generate tons of traffic to your offers by getting your videos shared on top social media platforms with social sharing ads. Capture more leads and visitor feedback by allowing them to interact on your video page or channel. And we still haven't mentioned the icing on the cake. If you buy this Enterprise Upgrade today, and only today, you can also see what's working for your videos with the power of deep analytics, allowing you to boost your profits with virtually no extra effort. See statistics broken down by unique visitors, engagement, technology, device, location, or results. Use heat maps to analyze your videos across various parameters to improve your strategy and multiply engagement and profits. This may sound unbelievable or too good to be true. You may be wondering why anyone would spill the beans on these secrets and dilute their profits. But the reality is, there's enough money and profit to go around in this market, and only a handful of marketers are thinking about taking advantage of it. But they don't even have the right set of tools. So, we want to help you by giving you the must-have weapon in your marketing arsenal for a one-time price. The one and only catch is this special upgrade is only available for this charter launch. It will be removed as soon as the launch ends. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below and start making 10 times the profits with the secret tools and apps that this Enterprise Members Area upgrade has to offer.